Hey everyone, Mostri here and welcome to Mostri's Little World. So today I am here with one more challenge video and I have here my friend Shatabdi. So
Hi.
she also has a YouTube channel. We both started almost together, right? Yeah. But I don't know, when from the day one we have planned to do a collab video together. I don't know what take us a long time to come here together. So yes, today we are together with a collab video and this is my favorite food challenge video. So I have 5 type of foods and she also has the same. We don't know what we has bought for each other.
Yeah.
So let's start. Where is the blindfold?
Okay.
These beautiful Christmas trees, Shatabdi's, her house actually.
Christmas
We
is
are
already
shooting-
over, but we are still celebrating.
But it's really beautiful one.
Let's get.
ভালো করে চোখ দেখ।
দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
কটা ফুল।
দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
Okay, so Shatabdi is ready with her blindfold and let me take out my first item.
আমাকে ক্যামেরা দেখা যাচ্ছে তো?
This is the first one.
Ketchup.
Yes, it's a ketchup. Yeah, it's a quite easy one. Okay, have this ketchup.
I can say it's a tomato ketchup. Yeah.
So now I'm going to the next one. It's my favorite. Let her guess first.
Kasundi.
Yes.
Mustard
sauce. It's my favorite. I think she's going to win. Last time also I lose and this time also I'm going to lose, I guess.
No. My foods are so simple and easy.
So now
Garlic. Chili garlic sauce.
kind of, but not that.
Chili garlic sauce. Chili garlic pickle. Szechuan sauce.
Yes, it's a Szechuan chutney. Wow. I should have bring something difficult one.
Yeah.
Now these are very easy.
I'm a
remaining
foodie too. I love food.
Remaining two are very easy.
You all very easy. Very easy?
Yeah.
I cannot. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, it has mayonnaise, but it's not mayonnaise.
Okay, it has mayonnaise. You said it's very easy, but why I cannot say? Mayonnaise, I don't. Pass.
It's sandwich spread.
Oh, okay.
You can open your eyes.
Bread. Okay. One miss.
The last one is the easiest, simplest one.
Actually, I use mayonnaise on my bread only. I don't use that one. So I don't know. Okay.
No
This
problem.
one maybe I will not be able to tell.
It's the easiest.
It's sweet.
It is very sweet.
Can I have one more time?
Yeah, sure. Just a minute.
Honey.
Yes. Actually, that time all the sauces mixed together.
That's why very difficult to say. Yeah. But sweet.
Now,
I love sweet.
she scored 4 out of 5. Almost 5, I can say. Because I has mayonnaise.
Okay. So now it's
very good.
my turn.
I'm keeping this spoon here. Just keep it.
And we are shooting it in the evening, so it's snack time. So better to have snacks.
I wish I could have tea with that.
You will. Flavor. You
Choco
can.
chip.
Yes. I got to know that you like it. That's why I started with that.
Let me finish it.
Sure.
Okay. What is that? Murukku. Murukku, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, murukku.
Moshi is going to win. This one is very easy.
Peanut.
Yeah. See?
It's so much fun.
This one has got dry fruit inside. You have to name the dry fruit.
Almond.
Yes.
Almond chocolate.
Yeah. Last one.
Oh my god.
Moshi is going to win.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Chips.
No.
Chips. What is this? Like kurkure kind of. What was that?
You want to try one more?
I had already full. Okay, give me a little bit. Chocos. That star-shaped chocos,
Yeah,
right?
correct,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yay, I won. I wish I could have done this with Indrajit. I would have won 500 rupees.
Yes. You are also going to win something. We have not decided the prize yet, but of course Moshi is going to win something. And
Anyways, we are going to do one more video
Yes.
for her channel
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
So
Make
please
sure you check that.
Yeah. So maybe it will be time.
yeah.
So this was my today's challenge video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment down below if you want to see more this collab videos together. And see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.